What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. In today's video, all right, we got a special treat for you guys. Right now, as you can tell by the interior, all right, I don't know if you guys could see that because we are on the Canon A6000, so I can't really see what you guys see. But we're going to be coding the 2020 BMW M340i. For those of you who do not know, why is she saying hello?
Oh, because he said BMW. BMW, stop listening.
Oh my gosh. But yeah, no, this car is way so advanced that I don't even know all the features, but we are going to be doing a review on this car. But today we're going to be focusing on coding the car. All right, we're just going to see the different options that you guys can code in your car if you guys plan on getting an M340i or any newer type BMW. So let's get into today's video. And of course, in today's video, we are going to be using the OBD wireless OBD scanner. All right, what this does is that it goes into your OBD port, which is located down below. And this connects the car to your phone, and we're going to be using an app called BIMMERCODE. For those of you who do not know, BIMMERCODE allows you to unlock all of the hidden features that's in your BMW, Mini Cooper, and also Rolls-Royce, I believe. So this app is going to run you $30 on the App Store and Google Play Store. And this wireless OBD scanner is going to run you $30 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description so you guys can cop one if you guys want to start coding your car. All right, but let's get into it. All right, you guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take your wireless OBD scanner and plug it into the OBD port, which is located down below. If you can't see it, get out the car and look, but you just feel around for it. And it should plug right into the car, just like so, right? Next thing you want to do is you want to hop into your settings connected to the V-Link, which is the name of the wireless OBD scanner, all right? So make sure it's connected to V-Link in your Wi-Fi settings. And then you just want to slide over to BIMMERCODE, which is right up here. All right, so once you're in BIMMERCODE, you just want to press connect. And now it's going to show you all of the newer BMWs since this is a 2020. All right, so you got the 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, 6 Series, all the way down to the Supra.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's how you know.
All the way down to the Supra, okay? But in today's video, we're going to be focusing on the 3 Series. This is a G20 body style, I guess. All right, so once you're in that, you got all of your different stuff you could code, right? So you got advanced crash safety module, air conditioning, body domain controller. It is not supported in this car. I don't even know what it is, but it's not supported. Camera-based driver assistance system. I guess this is if you guys had the 360 camera in your car. This car does not have it. Then you got engine control unit, head unit, instrument cluster, receiver audio module. I guess that's when I said BMW or whatever, I would picked up. I guess you could change that. And then you got your roof function center. All right, so we're just going to go through all of the list and see what we can code. All right, so if you go into advanced crash safety module, this control unit is not accessible with the adapter you are using. Please find more information on the website. Okay, so I guess we cannot do that. So we go into air conditioning. All right, so I guess this is how you can preset your AC to do whatever you want. This is what I'm guessing. I never coded this car or did anything with this car yet. So today we're gonna find out together on what you can code in the 2020 M340i. That's a mouthful to say. All right, so you got air conditioning, you got air circulation, setting memory, automatic air recirculation, AC on in, recirculation mode, apply auto setting to manual mode. So this is like just setting up your AC, pretty much, air conditioning. All right, so those two we cannot touch. Then you got engine control unit, DME. I think this is the transmission, maybe. This might be the transmission. And no, it's not. All right, so in engine control unit, this is your auto stop function, all right? I know with me, I never really used it because I always felt like the car would like not turn on when it cuts off for it to save gas, pretty much. So right now this is not active. We're not going to code anything in this car, but that's if you guys wanted to turn off your stop start function in like eco mode or something like that. All right, so next up we got head unit. The head unit I think is going to focus on this whole screen right here. So we got that coming up next. And let me know what you guys think about this car, because it might be coming to the channel soon. All right, not this car, but like another spec. So this might be the new build. Let me know what you guys think about it. and leave a comment in the comment section down below if you guys think I should get this or something different. All right, I am gonna make a video for you guys on what I'm thinking about getting as the next build, but I just want to see what you guys think about this. But anyway, so in head unit, you got acoustical. How do you pronounce it? Acoustical, right?
Acoustical?
Acoustical.
Acoustical, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Acoustical.
Acoustical. Confirmation. So I'm guessing what that is something with the speakers. All right, so you got that. You got the audio startup. So this is pretty much how loud you want the chime to be in your car when you start up the car. We're just gonna leave it like that, 25%. Daytime running light, that's already active, no brainer. So this is how you change your startup animation. All right, what that is like. Shit, I thought we changed it though. Oh, no.
For turning it off.
Yeah. So pretty much this is your startup animation, right? So what this is that anytime you start up the car on this screen, you get different options, and the options are you get the regular standard BMW. You get an M version, Alpina, BMW I version, such as the i3 or the BMW i8. And then you got the Rolls Royce, which is super cheesy. I did in my car. I know you guys seen it in my last video, one of my last videos. But right now we're just gonna leave it as default. You got the volume pop-up. So I guess this is how the volume, like if you aim in here, when you do the volume, how that pops up, you could turn that off. So that's an option. I don't know why you would want it, but you can do it. You got tire pressure control. So this is when you go into your, not sports setting, but like
vehicle information, right?
Yeah, so this is when you go into your vehicle information. You can display the temperature of your tires, and also see the amount of pressure that's being in it. All right, so that's already done. One touch turn signal. All right, we're not going to activate that. Video USB. So what this is like, this is what I code in my car. This is how you get the video in motion. All right, so you could pre-install videos onto a USB, like a flash drive, and you could play it in the car onto the screen. And video in motion allows you to drive while you're watching those videos. It's illegal, yes, but you could use it, like say if you guys had kids or something like that and they want to watch a movie during a road trip, or your front passenger, vice versa, whatever, you could code it into your car. All right, so we're gonna leave that. You got your warning at startup, camera warning, night vision warning. Does this car have night vision? No, okay. Yeah, so those are just different warnings. All right, so we're gonna pop back. Then you want to go into instrument cluster, which is all of this stuff up here. All right, so that's the screen and yeah, just your instrument cluster. All right, you guys, so once you're in your instrument cluster, you got three different options. You got audio, display options, instrument cluster, and fuel reserve warnings. All right, so in the audio, you got the acoustic signal when reverse gear is engaged. I don't know what that, I guess it's like a beeping noise maybe when you put it in reverse.
But it does it regardless, that's weird.
Does it?
Yeah, it's like boop, when you guys close to something.
True. All right, so we're gonna press back on that. You got display options, instrument cluster. So you got,
oh, that is sick. You can put like,
is this what I did? I did something.
No, you did it like when you turn off the car, it shows it like.
It shows the M.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is, what was this again? Display layout. So this is up in here in your instrument cluster. All right. You could have it say BMW. All right, the BMW layout, the M layout, M performance layout, and also the Alpina layout. All right, so we're gonna leave it at BMW layout and just leave it like that. All right, display logo. I don't know what that means. Or diesel logo. What's a diesel? This isn't a diesel car. Okay, well you got a diesel logo. If you guys want to code that in the car, all right. Fuel reserve warnings, you guys could change that up. That just means it just gives you a warning on when you are running low on fuel. All right, so right now it's set to 30 miles. It's going to give you like a notification in the car. This is warning number 2, set at 50 miles. All right, then we got the receiver audio module. All right, so in receiver audio module, you got one option, active sound design. So you got active sound design. That's already active, so we're gonna leave it at that. All right, I'm gonna press back, and then the last option we have is the roof function center. And I feel like the longer that this car is out, BIMMERCODE, they're gonna drop more updates on it, so you guys could code more features on it. Because this car, like I said, it's a 2020, it's fairly new, it's brand new. And I guess the software isn't there yet in BIMMERCODE for you to fully customize your car how you want it. So I'm sure later on down the road there will be updates for this. But in the roof function center we have acoustical confirmation, and then the alarm system. All right, so oh, this is the beeping noise when you unlock the car.
Oh yeah,
like beep beep. I think that's that.
yeah.
All right, so that's that. That's the volume on it. Right now it's on normal, sound frequency normal, sound duration normal. And then you got the alarm system. Right now it's on USA. You can change it to Great Britain or Europe.
That's true.
So that's your alarm sound. All right. So that right there is the last menu. So that is all of the stuff you could code on your 2020 M340i. All right. And what you guys want to do to finish up is just press disconnect. Disconnect it from the car. All right. And then you just want to unplug it from down below. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. There will be a review coming on this car pretty soon. Full walk around video, test drive 0 to 60s. Stay tuned for that, hopefully. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.